In today's video, I will walk you through how to use CoinMarketCap Fear and Greed Index. We'll start on CoinMarketCap. Once the homepage loads, look at the top navigation bar. This navigation area is where you can access different sections of the platform. Find the Dashboard section. Click or hover over Dashboard, then select the Fear and Greed Index option. This will open the page for viewing the Market Sentiment Index. On the Fear and Greed Index page, check the current Fear and Greed score displayed at the top. The score is shown as a number from 0 to 100, along with a label that indicates the current sentiment level. You can also check when the value was last updated and review the recent comparison values, such as the previous day or previous week readings. To view previous sentiment data, scroll down to the historical chart section. Use the timeline to move through different periods. Hover over the chart points to view the exact dates and values. You can adjust the time frame to focus on shorter periods or view a longer historical range. Compare the current reading with previous high and low points shown on the chart. The page also includes an explanation section about the index. Review this section to see additional details about how the index measures market sentiment using a single score. When using the Fear and Greed Index, review the current score together with the historical chart to understand how the reading has changed over time. Check the index regularly to view updated sentiment information. To use the CoinMarketCap Fear and Greed Index, go to the Dashboard section, select Fear and Greed Index, review the current score, and explore the historical chart for previous readings. Thank you for watching.